Hi, I'm Sean Lee with Idea Engineering, and today I just wanted to present you with the digital height presetting gauge from iGAGING. And I've got an old machine here. This is an old Shopsmith, about a half-century old. But when I'm trying to drill precision holes, I want to actually make it a very specific depth. The gauge on here is not very sufficient, and I really don't trust that it's accurate. So if I want to know, the depth on this bit compared to a bit, if I change to a bigger bit, for example, if I'm drilling into metal, I want to, drill with a smaller bit and then get a larger and larger bit, but I want to drill to the same depth. Then what I can do is I can put the digital presetter here. I can set the depth that I want, zero it out, and you can see that it's all zeros right now. And then I can change bits. So pull this bit off. If I can find a chuck. And put a bigger bit on. Alright, so now when I go to reset this, I just push down on the bit until the gauge lights up. And when it lights up, that tells you it's at zero. There it goes. Okay, then I lock it in place. It's a little difficult with this old machine, but newer machines have much finer movement, so this is actually easier to do. The funny thing is this presetter gauge is actually far more accurate than this machine would be. But if you have, say, a vertical mill or something, this would be good for that. This is good to, it can measure to 1/1000th of a millimeter. It's repeatable to 2/1000ths of a millimeter. Okay, and I got it to light up. That means I'm at zero. I'm within 2/1000ths of a millimeter of zero. So that means that I can lock this now, and it will drill to the same depth that the other bit did. So very, very handy tool. It's great for more modern tools that are more accurate than this old thing, but it is also handy for this. So you can use it for mills, lathes, whatever you need to set the depth vertically or horizontally to the right spot. So. And if you take a close look at this guy, you can see that it has a magnetic bottom, so it'll stick to the side of something. So if you want to, calibrate your lathe, say, to a certain depth, you can actually attach this to a metal place, and it'll stay in place. Or if you're using like a CNC machine, you can also set your bits that way. So very handy, and the fact that it lights up when you hit zero. If I can do it with my finger here, you don't have to keep an eye on the gauge because you can see the light when it lights up. There it goes. It's a little difficult to do with my hand, but with a machine, it's a lot easier to do. So, and it actually has 1/4-20 holes in the back, so you can attach it that way as well. And very handy tool. So. Thank you, and have a good day.